6 human rights, legal and medical associations now say 61 deaths and 67 cases of enforced disappearance were reported during the anti-government protests witnessed in the country. The organizations led by Amnesty International Kenya and the Law Society of Kenya have released a report on the events of June 25th when protesters accessed Parliament, condemned the conduct of the police who used lethal weapons to contain peaceful protesters armed with flags, whistles and phones. They have also called on the government to gazette the revocation of the deployment of the military to protect critical infrastructure following the deadly protests. Amnesty International says it has collected 12,000 signatures in support of their petition to have a judicial commission of inquiry into the killings.
We have documented 61 persons who've lost their lives. And these are the cases we call extrajudicial killings, 61. As IMLU, we have conducted autopsies on 49 of those bodies that tell us the actual cause of death. In regards to the persons that are still missing, the team here has reported 67 cases of enforced disappearances. 40 of those have been resolved. We still have 27 people missing.
The Law Society of Kenya is collecting information together with our stakeholders and our partners in regards to mounting a consolidated petition towards reparations for all those who lost their lives and all those who lost or had an interest affected in one way or the other, especially in terms of a human rights regime.
12,000 people have called for a judicial commission of inquiry. We are going to be presenting this to the National Assembly. We are also going to be engaging with the judiciary. And lastly, we will also, in good faith, reach out to the law enforcement agencies to give them the opportunity to essentially course correct the behavior that we have seen over the last 4 months.